A tiny dragon sits in a sunny village square, happily sniffing a flower. Its nose wiggles, eyes go wide. The villagers nearby freeze in anticipation. The dragon sneezes. Kaboom! Chickens swirl through the air like balloons. Kids slide across the cobblestone street. Hats fly everywhere. Instead of being upset, everyone laughs, spinning around from the sneeze like it's a carnival ride. The dragon sneezes again. This time his own hat rockets into the sky and sticks on the moon. Everyone points and laughs as the moon now proudly wears a dragon-sized hat. The dragon blushes and shrugs.